Do you have active swimmers? How good are your sperms? When it comes to fertility, it's not just about having loads of sperm count. It's about how fast are your sperm, the motility. Can they swim fast enough to get to the ovary? When we talk about fertility, people mostly associate it with women, but fertility issue is for both men and women. A woman needs to be able to ovulate, that is, produce eggs to have babies. If a woman doesn't ovulate, it can cause infertility. And we've talked about the uterus. If the uterus lining is not thick enough, or is too thin, or is too thick, it's possible for a woman to become infertile. And also, if the fallopian tube is blocked, especially if both fallopian tubes are blocked, it can cause infertility. And that's not just it. Hormones, the woman hormones have to be accurate. If the woman have an excessive amount of lactating hormone in them, it's possible that they don't conceive because their body is tricked into believing that they've already conceived. Another factor is that some people have pregnancy and they just keep having miscarriages, which could be due to cervical incompetency. Maybe their cervix is not strong enough, doesn't close well enough to hold the pregnancy in. So there's so many factors when it comes to having children, and this is from the woman's side. From the man's side, it's mainly the sperm count. The sperm, because that is the main factor when it comes to having a child. But these also have a lot of factors to it. When we're talking about the sperm, it's not just sperm. It's not that, oh, this person have millions of sperm, they should be able to produce. No. When they are doing the sperm count, they check the motility. How fast can they swim? Do you have active swimmer? Do you have active swimmers? Because if they don't swim fast enough, it means they will not be able to survive the struggle of moving from the vagina to where they'll fertilize the eggs. And also, how healthy are the sperm? Do they have the head, middle, body, and tail? Because if they are deformed, automatically they won't be able to fertilize. And if by any chance they fertilize, it will result into abortion because the body can detect an abnormal baby in most cases and they prevent it from going on to become a baby. So men need to also consider what they eat, the kind of things they put in their mouth, their exercises, and if you're a driver, you need to take care of your testes properly and prevent it from overheating because this can damage the testes, which is the machine responsible for producing sperm. It can damage them and prevent them from growing properly.